Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If Safari on your Mac isn't working properly, maybe Pages won't load, you're stuck on a blank screen, or the loading bar just freezes. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective 3-step fix that works for most Safari-related problems. Let's get started. First, open Safari. Go to the top left corner and click on Safari, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll to the bottom and check the box that says Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. Once that's enabled, you'll see a new Develop menu appear in the top menu bar. Next, click on the Develop menu, then choose Empty Caches from the list. This will clear Safari's cached files, which are often the cause of loading issues or display bugs. After emptying the caches, quit Safari completely. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and reopen Safari while still holding the key. This forces Safari to start fresh and skip previously loaded sessions or corrupted tabs. That's it. After these steps, Safari should be running more smoothly. This method fixes about 90% of common browser problems on macOS. If this worked for you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.